What's going on YouTube? PharaohRemy here, and I got a special surprise today. So these sneakers that I bought, they're called Side Collective. They're from a black designer called Delvin Carter, I believe his name is. And I've been waiting on these pre-orders for a long time, and the wait is finally over. So there's something kind of special about these, aside that they're black owned and it's a small business, but you'll see in a minute. So I got the two boxes of the two sneakers I got here. And I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm just gonna get into it. I haven't even opened the boxes yet, but I also got the special laces, and you'll see why they're special once I open the box. So 1, 2, which one should I open first? I'm gonna go with this box. I got it here somewhere. Man, I feel like a kid on Christmas right now. Woo! So I used to be really into sneakers when I was in high school. As I got older, just started focusing on more important things. But I was definitely that kid back in the day. I skipped school once or twice to wait outside for Jordan releases, all that stuff. But sneaker game is not the same like it used to be, for good and bad reasons. But man, it was definitely a process trying to get these. So his emblem or logo is like a vulture. They're called the Vultures, and it looks like these are the waffle and butters. Beautiful packaging so far. All right, all black box with the reflective "Somewhere in America" logo or slogan, and I'm a size 10. So, oh man, so they're both individually packaged in the plastic. These are beautiful. Man, Yeezy who? Shit. So he made a package called a waffle. So no, it's a breakfast at Tiffany's and a waffle and butters. So these are the waffle and butters, the breakfast pack. Here you go. Got the white midsole. And there's like this creamy yellow. So what's special about these is that they're reflective and they change color in the sun. So I'm hoping we get enough sun today. I'm gonna go out to the deck and put these on. And they come with these regular white laces, nothing special. But, pretty much each pair has a special like lace for it. So these laces, look at these beautiful bad boys here. So they're white and yellow. And I'll be putting these in here, and they're supposed to be reflective, and I'm not sure if these change in the sun. I don't think they do, but it's gonna look way better. So, bang. All right, so I like my laces nice and loose. Maybe I'll do a video on how I lace my shoes. They're not always the same all the time, but this is pretty much how they look right now. Yes, sir. Anything extra on the got the vultures on the back. So now I'm gonna try to catch the sun real quick to show you guys how they change in the sunlight, the UV rays. All right, let me see if I catch some sun. There's not too much out here right now. Ooh, okay. Yeah, so the laces change colors too. Damn, that's hard. So that's why they're called the waffle and butters, because in the sunlight, as you can see, they get that butter. That's fire. So those were the waffle and butters. Very comfortable on the feet. I believe they should be form-fitting, so over time as I wear them, it should form more towards my feet, kind of like foam posits. I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. They're sock runners, and I just peeped on the box. The carry handle looks like the same material, same style as the laces, which is it's kind of dope. So here's the waffle and butters, and now we're off to the platinums. All right, boom. So I did this one a little bit differently than I did the waffle and butters. I kind of took one of the styles that he made up. I think he calls them hugs and kisses, something like that. So I started doing that, but then I realized that there's a lace holes in the back. So I figured I'd do something a little bit different here. I just put them through the back like that. So I'm gonna try and show you guys if I can remember how to do it real quick. If you don't care, you can skip past this part of the video. This is mostly for the review, but I do not know Delvin Carter. This is not an advertisement for him, anything like that. I just love sneakers, and I figured I'd make this video for you guys who may not know him or may not know his sneaker line, or maybe you just like me. All right, so I'm about to make them nice and even first. So I put them on the outside for the first 2 holes right there, like that. All right. Now there's 2 holes on the side. I don't know if you could barely see them right here. I'm just about to go in and out real quick. Damn. So I'm about to go in and then out like this. I wish I had better camera angles, but I don't right now. Sorry about that. Damn. All right, bye. Do the same thing to the other side. I'll just go in and out. So in right there. Out the other side. Like so. There we go. All right, too easy. So here's where it starts to come together. So not the first one, but the second loop, you gotta go through like this on both sides. All right. All right, so now you're gonna make your first loop. So, whoa. So I'm in the second loop right here. You're gonna go through the first one right here like this. This is gonna kind of make like an O. All right. After you got that O formed, you're gonna go back to the side with these 2 holes that you can see right there. And I'm gonna go in and out again. So, go in right there. And out. Like so. I do the same thing to the other side. These are beautiful lace tips, by the way. These silver ones. Depending on how you put together clothes. If you get like some nice accents, if you got like a silver watch or some shit, belt buckle, whatever. All right, so in and out. Ooh, what am I doing? I got confused for a minute. There we go. All right. Now I'm gonna go through the top loop up here. Oops. I think I got my laces uneven. Oh well. So top loop through the middle, right there, like that. And yeah, this ain't gonna work exactly, but we still gonna make it happen. So I'm just switch it up on the side then. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put it through the first hole right there. And yeah, same thing on the other side. I'm gonna just put it through the first hole right here. So I messed up a little bit. I might just switch it up, but essentially it would look like this if I had enough space. I'll just go around the back first and then go through the holes. But I mean, there's no right or right or wrong way how to do it. I'm just trying up a few things, see what I like, see what I don't like. All right, so I feel like they're turning color. It's kind of hard to tell in the lighting. It kind of sucks, but they were definitely starting to get a blue tint. Let me see if I can find some better sunlight. Just take them off real quick. Yeah. It's almost like a Carolina kind of blue. These are gorgeous, man. These are really dope. So the more sunlight they get, the more that they turn like the color, the tint. So it's mostly the shoelaces and then like all these areas on the side here. Oh man. Oh yeah. So I didn't know that these ones weren't reflective. I mean, they're still gorgeous, but I guess only the platinum ones are reflective, 3M reflective. These are beautiful. So last thing, like I said, I don't know Delvin Carter. I don't know the owner of these shoes or anything like that. But I thought they were dope. I love the creativity. They're very different. So I want to support. I also love sneakers. So I'll leave a link in the bottom of the description for like his Instagram information, maybe the website on how to get these. It took a while, so just have some patience. I bought these on pre-order. And it took a few months because I missed the deadline. They usually drop on a website and they sell out within seconds. So sometimes he does pre-orders. Just in case anyone that like these, they want to get their hands on like the next pair of vultures that come out. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. I'm always coming out with new content. I don't think any of my videos I've done so far have been the same. So always expect something different from me. Leave me some feedback. Turn on your notifications if you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, what are you doing? You need to subscribe. Come grow with me and my channel. Everything will be getting better, like I said, which it has been. The edits, all that. I'm still learning how to use Final Cut Pro. So until next time, to all my beautiful people on this amazing fall day, have a beautiful day. Much prosperity to you, and PharaohRemy out.